Sabi droga, tapos may patay dito, extrajudicial killing, extrajudicial killing. O, tingnan mo Marawi. What started the Rocos in Marawi? Did they outright proclaim independence? No. The police went to a certain Maote member of the family to serve a warrant of arrest. Lumaban, umatras yung police, pumasok ang Marines. Diyan sa araw na yan, the following day, diyan sa Pandy Bridge, ubos yung 9 Marines. I was there at the airport to condole with the family and to commiserate and to view the dead bodies of my soldiers. My soldiers, kasi ako, my police, ako kasi yung commander-in-chief. Ano yan?